In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Business Debit Card app. Now within Chase, there isn't a standalone application because within the Chase mobile app alone, you should be able to toggle between the personal and the business account. So what you need to do is first of all link and set up your business profile. If you already have the Chase app for personal banking, you must link your business credentials to see your business debit card. So make sure that you log into your business account as well, which you could easily do within the profile section. So make sure that you add in your credentials, and once you have done that, both your personal as well as the business account should be visible. Now in terms of the benefits that you get with a business account is you can manage your cards as well as the security of it. For example, if you or your employee have misplaced the card, you have the option of locking or unlocking, as well as you could freeze the transactions. Secondly, you could set up the spending limit, especially if you have issued the debit card to your employees. Alongside that, you could also add the card to the different digital wallets as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.